Why is Bitcoin rising? Bitcoin is a digital currency which is not controlled by any central bank and no limitation is applied on transfer between countries. Major quality of Bitcoin is that it is hard to earn. That is, you need to mine Bitcoin and it takes 10 minutes to mine 12.5 Bitcoin per block, which approximately comes up to 1.2 Bitcoin per minute, which is extremely limited. Due to this mining limitation, Bitcoin's supply chain is limited. However, as per Bitcoin blockchain technology, it is really easy to verify. So, people know that you can use it to make the money easily transferable between countries, because even today there are many countries that don't allow money to be transferred between countries. They have multiple limitations in place, so they will tell you that you cannot transfer above x amount, let's say 100,000. So the easiest way is to buy Bitcoin. If you bought Bitcoin in China and then you traveled to USA and sold it in US, then no one can stop it. Because once you bought it in China, you're not really transferring it to another country. Once you sold it in US, you're not really transferring it between borders because you just sold it to another private citizen who could be anywhere or everywhere. So it's really easy. And because Bitcoin supply chain is limited, so you know that it's like gold. It cannot be supply cannot be increased without out of thin air. So it's really important that with limited supply you can buy limited bitcoins because the price will increase. As the rule of price increase says, inflation, it says that fewer goods and increased demand with increased money coming in, it will increase prices. As of today, Bitcoin is a digital currency which can store value and can be transferred between borders without any issue. Today, 100,000 merchants accept Bitcoin, and this is the number one reason Bitcoin is the number one digital currency. Bitcoin is used as a way to transfer remittance between countries, and Chinese are using it due to foreign exchange limitations. Even Indians nowadays are using it because once the Indian government cancelled 86% of their money circulation, money supply, people know that it makes their local currency a bit hard, dangerous. So they can hold their money in Bitcoin. And as and when they need the money, they can just sell it and make the money local Indian rupee. So it's really easy. Thank you.